Is the VP ready for the prospect of her getting arrested?
Let's get ready to rumble. Yan, the more you hurt her, the more she's fighting back. Ganon yung ugali ng Duterte.
Sir,
Hindi yan natatakot.
Yung press con ni Pangulong Duterte kagabi, were you able to monitor it, sir? Meron po ba kayong reaction? Isa sa mga sinabi niya, kung magkakaroon daw po ng pag-aakla, susuportahan daw niya sa mga militar? Kasama daw sa?
But he was not inciting.
Yes, sir.
Gusto niya kausapin lang military, di ba? Sabi niya kausapin lang na military, being the ultimate guardian of the Constitution. Kung saan dapat nga side sila, kung mag-decide silang gano'n, then he will support them as far as defending the Constitution is concerned.
But sir, as a mayor, anong sinasabi nila? Because the challenge yesterday by the former president is